Spring is in less than a month. Let's go shopping. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Kura, and I believe that when you feel good, you look good. So on this channel, I show you how to take fashion and use it as a tool to help you look and feel your best. So I had a completely different video lined up. I owe you a little fashion week vlog. I owe you some more videos about how to style neutrals and that whole concept, but there were more pressing matters that we had to get to first. So if you watched my last video of how to style neutrals, you saw that I spoke about Rosie Huntington Whiteley, and she had on this beautiful suit with feathers on the arms and oversized pants. It was just absolutely stunning. Now, I didn't do much research to find out where that outfit was, but when I stumbled across this blazer on Zara, I was so happy. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I wanted the pink one and I ordered it from Zara. They had it a few months ago, and UPS, my good friends at UPS, left it outside of my building as opposed to inside of my building or near my apartment. So that got stolen, obviously. So I was never able to get it because my size kept selling in and out, in and out. This is just as beautiful. In fact, I like the color. I don't know if I like it more, but I do like that I can wear this color with more. Now, as of right now, it says coming soon, so it's not in stock. If it says the same thing the day this video goes up, put your name on the restock list or on the stocking list, because it hasn't come in stock yet, to get informed. Because you guys, I love y'all, but I'm pushing you out of line to get this blazer if I have to. And yes, a lot of people might have it. I don't know that I care that much. Don't want to look like everybody else. However, if everybody else likes what I'm wearing and we have the same style, we're just gonna look good together, okay? I want this blazer, I'm gonna get it, and I wanted to show you guys. What's great this time is that they don't only have the blazer, they also have the pants that go with it. And Rosie had a whole outfit. So I'm very excited to get it. I'm probably going to get everything, and I will definitely show you guys when I do. Something else that caught my eye from Zara, we're not going to spend a lot of time on Zara, but this oversized pink blazer paired with this skirt would be so cute with like some white sneakers and like a silver bum bag, which I have one to show you later, for a very relaxed spring running around town kind of look. I love this. I just wanted to show you. You guys, I don't think that your whole wardrobe should come from Zara, but they have some good things. It's good to pick and choose and mix and match. And when you have the time, go ahead and go through the Zara website. So these next pair of shoes, I know somebody is going to scoff, roll their eyes, and maybe even click off this video after they see these shoes. But I know some people do like them. These J.W. Anderson shoes have been on the feet of many a fashion person for the last few years. And if you like them, they are on 60% off sale at Farfetch. They have these metallic ones, which is very on trend right now. And they also have them in several different colors with an additional 16% off. I told you guys January and February, the sales, the designer sales are it. This is a very good price if you love these shoes. So in this video, we spoke about wedges. As I told you, they are everywhere. And I know some of you even said that you liked the thicker wedges, which is fine. I always say wear what you want, right? Those type of wedges are still everywhere, and I found some really good ones on top of some platforms and other raffia type of shoes getting us ready for spring and summer. So a few that I found from Revolve are so good. These wedges from Ray are so sexy. I love a nice slim shoe or a nice slim wedge, even though they're not as comfortable as the thick ones. They also have a thicker wedge, if that's what you love too, that is also very cute. And then they have these platforms. I have been seeing these raffia type of platforms everywhere. So if you love them and it's something that you were looking for, you are not going to have a problem at any price point. And if you love pumps, they even have raffia pumps. So good. Really slim and sexy and also very on trend. But then they have the open toe version as well. There's going to be no shortage of this type of shoe. Revolve also has a plethora of denim jackets. I got this one from Revolve, even though it's kind of crooked right now. They have some that have some really big shoulder pads, which is very Alexander Wang. And then they have some cropped ones. I've noticed a lot of cropped denim jackets, which I think is much different than our oversized denim jackets that we've been wearing for the last couple of seasons. I told you I wanted one as well. This is more of a denim blazer than it is a jacket. It's different, trust me. One of my favorite parts about spring and summer shopping is the accessories. The bags, the shoes, the earrings, the jewelry. And honestly, I guess that's one of my favorite part of fashion anyway, is accessories, if you haven't noticed. Cult Gaia does accessories so well, right? And these earrings are huge, over the top, and perfect for any vacation. I see myself wearing these on the beach at dinner time with my braids pulled back, or in a ponytail, or if I have my own hair out, pulled back. And I just think these are such a statement. I don't know how heavy they are because I haven't ordered them. Maybe I will. The problem with these is that they're clip-on, and clip-on earrings drive me nuts. I understand why they did it though, because they're so big, but these are a statement. Big earrings are such a thing right now, and I love these. Cult Gaia actually has some other earrings that I think are fabulous. These here are just a very structural, different type of earring. I think all of their earrings are made out of brass as well, if I remember correctly. These give me that old school, remember I was telling you in this video that the very kind of 90s big clip-on type of earrings are going to be a big thing. Well, this is what I was talking about. They have them at Cult Gaia. And of course they have new bags. This gold bag clutch, I don't know where I'm thinking I'm going. Like when I'm thinking of a beach vacation, I don't know why I feel like I'm going to be in Bali someplace on the beach. I'm at this beautiful resort. I'm thinking I'm going to be really glamorous. But when I'm picturing this glamorous vacation, I'm picturing accessories like this. So Bloomingdale's has some cute things too. These two bags from Tory Burch I think are so cute. If you are a person that loves Tory and loves denim and doesn't mind the monogram, these bags are for you. It was funny because the other day I was on social media and this person had everything to say about Tory Burch and Coach and Michael Kors, and it was just, it's crazy to me. People really put down the middle of the road brands, even though most of us are not in that 1%. Most people can't afford the middle of the road. So let me just tell you, somebody, coming from somebody, right, who has Louis Vuitton, Dior, Givenchy, Chanel, somebody that has those, but also has Coach and Tory Burch, it's the same darn thing, and people need to cut it out. It's a brand, and that's it. So if Tory Burch and Coach is the only thing that you can afford, wear that proudly and walk around with them cute little bags. People are crazy. People are nuts. Anyway, I think these are so cute from Tory Burch. I was also looking at getting a different color in the Lee Raswell. I know they're small. I know they're tiny, and I did a review on it, and it doesn't hold much, but I love this color, and again, I think it's gonna go really well during the spring and summer for this beautiful beach vacation that I have no idea where I'm going. And then I saw this aqua bag on Bloomingdale's, and this looks very much like that Prada bag, right? It's so cute, it's slim, it's that silver that's very on trend right now, and very, very affordable. Now this crossbody type of bum bag situation is on sale as we speak from Prowenza Schooler. It's on a ridiculous sale, and this is actually their white label, and I think this will look really cute with that pink outfit I showed you from Zara, the pink blazer, the skirt, some white sneakers, and this crossbody. Okay, so I mentioned briefly before that Hearts were having a really big moment in fashion right now. From earrings and jewelry to clothing and bags. They are everywhere, and we have some really good options. I really wanted these YSL heart earrings. They're vintage and they are so hard to find. I've been looking forever, but I might get these instead because I can't find the YSL ones and I want them so bad. But they're all over the place. You have some from Lily Sadohi, you have some from Marc Jacobs, you have some from Bobble Bar. If you are a heart wearer, these are really cute. I can't say that I'm a huge heart wearer, even though my necklace is a heart and I want those earrings, but I will say that these are very attractive. I saw these on Zara and I saw a lady on TikTok try them on. These are the biggest, most scrumptious, most dangly earrings that I've ever seen that I think would look really good, and they're only $22. So if you don't want to spend all that money for the YSL ones that I'm looking for, you can try these just to play with the trend. So speaking of hearts, heart bags are also a thing. We have this one from Kate Spade. We have the Coach one. Obviously, we have the one from Chanel. And this one from Alaya, a lot of influencers have been looking at, and I think it's a very beautiful bag. But I wanted to give you another option because I think the Alaya one that's in silver is $1,700, I believe. And this one is significantly cheaper. This is from a woman-owned business, Black woman-owned business, and I found her on TikTok. This lady is now in several big time stores, which is so commendable, and she has beautiful purses. I actually wanted to do a video about where to go and get different purses, some underrated purse brands, some Black owned purse brands, some other women owned purse brands, and I haven't gotten to that yet, but hold tight, I'm going to do that. But this is one of the people that I wanted to talk about. This little silver heart bag looks just as good as the one from Alaya. She has other options of purses if hearts are not your thing, but yeah, go check her out. That other video is coming up soon, but until then, see what you like on this website. A couple of months ago, I was watching a video by the creative director of Tippy, which I really love. She gives a lot of insight. I feel like she's very down to earth and she has really laid back, cool kind of style. And one of the things she said was that she hates wedges. And one of her reasons was she said that the fashion industry has tricked us into believing that wedges are cool, are cute, or whatever her terminology was. So she is not a wedge lover, and I thought that was very interesting. As she would know, she's in the industry. The rest of us, you know, we're just here. But I will say, consider me tricked. Consider me tricked, because I showed you guys these from Jimmy Choo, which I adore. As of right now, who knows what happens in a year, but right now I think they are so good. And I also showed you some other dupes, and I'm still looking for a pointy toe dupe that looks very much like these from Jimmy Choo. But these from Sam Edelman are still so cute. They come in gold and black and brown and a variety of colors, and they are so good. What I do know is that the Jimmy Choo ones are cute, and this is a good option, and I love them both. I showed you guys these denim shoes before from Sam Edelman. I'm going to show it to you again because we have new subscribers. Hi, new subscribers. I just want to put them out there. I think they're so good. This is definitely something I'm getting for the spring summer. I haven't gotten them yet because I want to go to the store and try them on because Jazz said they run a little big, so I want to make sure they fit. Speaking of denim, these clunky type of very back in the day throwback kind of denim shoes are here. These come in several different colors. The denim one I think is a new addition, so if you like a thicker shoe and denim, this is for you. And every so often Sam Edelman comes out with new iterations of this loafer. For you all that have that really minimal preppy type of style, the Sam Edelman loafer is a great option as opposed to the Gucci loafer if you want to save some money. I showed you guys these last time from J. Crew, and if you like those, you'll probably like these. Different colors, different iterations they come out with. These are a great option. I've said this before and I'll say it again. Sam Edelman is a great affordable option. In this video, several people asked me where I got my earrings from, and I totally forgot to say in the video, but these from Sashi come in gold and white gold. They are affordable, and I have them in gold. I'm probably going to get them in silver because of the whole silver craze right now, But I wanted to show you guys this because I cannot believe I forgot to mention it, and I forgot to put it in the description box. Like, who am I? In fact, this website has some really cute and affordable options that I'll put in the website, but I wanted to make that clear because I forgot to tell you last time, and I hate when I'm watching a video and someone's wearing something and doesn't mention where it's from or it's not in the description box. It's the worst. I want to know what you're wearing so that I can buy it too. So I'll put it in the description box. One of the things that I love about And Other Stories is that they're gonna give you an affordable leather bag. Either going to be classy or on trend, so there's something for everybody, and they have a plethora of options. This green one is a beautiful color for spring. It's 100% leather and just very on trend. And these three are so cool, cool girl, neutral girl kind of aesthetic that you could just buy all three of them, have some options, and really still save some money. So, have you been on Mango recently? Okay, so this whole brown leather outfit is to die for. I don't know who or where or how or what is happening at Mango, but I'm in love. This is absolutely stunning. Now, this is not the cheaper end of Mango. This costs a bit more, but it's absolutely beautiful. This jacket, or this blazer, excuse me, looks very much like the one from Zara with the feathers. But if you think the feathers are too much and you're like, sis, you're doing a lot, I understand that. This is that jacket, but without the feathers. And this bag is giving me Celine box bag vibes, but at a very much lower price. Extremely structured, very on trend, but a lot cheaper. This over-the-top feather bag is not for the weak-hearted or not for the neutral girl, but I think it's a cute little party bag or a cute vibe if you're going to Miami or something, right? Very cute. This whole vest and trouser situation is so clean girl, so minimalist, but also could be very sexy. If you watched my last video, I kind of used an example of a girl wearing this whole outfit, but she added like a baseball cap. This is totally that vibe. So I spoke about this brand a long time ago, maybe at the beginning of the pandemic, I don't remember, but The Chemist has some standout pieces. Beautiful pink blazer with these pants is perfect. There's a lot of luxurious suiting on this website, so really beautiful colors, fitted blazers and wide pants. There's hats and sweaters, and she even has a few cute bags. If you haven't been to this website, go check it out. She has some beautiful, beautiful things. So I spoke about Source Unknown before when I mentioned this sweater. This sweater is so unique and so different. It comes in gray and it comes in beige, and I love both of them. I haven't ordered it yet. I'm not quite sure why, but I should because I really love it. I love the neckline. It's so different and very striking, right? But there are other things on this website. I've told you guys my struggle with the whole cargo pants situation, but these on Source Unknown look very interesting to me. I love that they are pink because I like the pink. I love the silky kind of fabric, and then I love that they have a blazer to go with. Now, if you are a person that hates the big shoulder trend, because I understand how that can be jarring, this can just be worn with a regular short shirt or a blazer that doesn't have big shoulders. It can be worn with a regular blazer and baggy pants. I love this. I even love how the pants pull at the bottom with the little bit of pointy shoe poking out. Pink. It also comes in this beautiful color. I also recently found this website with well-made, well-priced leather bags. If you're the same person who loves a very preppy loafer and a blazer and trousers, these type of bags would go with that kind of whole aesthetic, right? So the ones that stuck out to me was the song bag and this one called a duffel song bag or something like that. I feel like they're very functional, very beautiful. And what I like about this is that a lot of times when they have these very simple kind of bags, they don't put color in this. So this one has color, which I adore. This pink color in this bowling bag is so cute. So anyway, that is what I have today. I have a list. You guys always know I have a list. I had to get some of this out fairly quickly because some of the stuff was on sale, and that Zara thing might sell out. Put your name on the list if you want it. So I wanted to give you that information really quickly. The other videos I have coming up for you are still in the works. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.